Hello everyone, myself Nehal Julapara from 2nd year Division A. Today I am here to explain architectural design of 4th semester, that is Interpretation Center. The north-south chain of mountains or hills that mark the western edge of the Deccan Plateau region are Western Ghats. Western Ghats are also known as Sahyadri. The Western Ghats forts, rivers, and grassland contain an extraordinary diversity of species, including rare and threatened species. Understanding plant and animal ecology, human impact on wildlife species, and how people use and relate to natural resources is all critical for conversation. Interpretation Center is to enhance the understanding of natural heritage to create awareness and promote biodiversity, conservation, and ecotourism. These are new style museums associated with the visitor center. So, we have to design an interpretation center for natural heritage. These are some required spaces of an interpretation center: parking, reception, waiting area, souvenir shop, administration area, audio-visual room, temporary exhibition, permanent exhibition, amphitheater, library, and cafeteria. I have shown a bubble diagram which shows connectivity of spaces. Before designing interpretation center, we learned about form and spaces. In this, we explored a 3D model where we learned about volumetric differences and massing of a singular space with different elements on 10 cm by 10 cm base. This was exploration 1 and this was exploration 2. Proposed site is located in Harshewadi, which is base village of Harihar Fort. Harshewadi is 40 kilometers from Nashik and 13 kilometers from Trimbakeshwar. Site is of 32 square meter. There is a 12-meter wide road near the site. The site has gentle slope and there is also a water body near to site. And it is surrounded by the mountains. The area is crowded by the people as it is a tourist place. The area of the site is near the mountains. There are 3 trees on the plot and also site has 2 meter slope. Surrounding to site there is a water body, grassland and mountains. Concept for interpretation center design was to incorporate existing tree in building planning, use of grid and cluster organization, green roof to connect the structure with the surrounding visually. Zoning was done on the basis of site analysis and bubble diagram to understand the placement of spaces. We have also studied about partial organizations. There are 5 types of spatial organizations: centralized organization, linear organization, radial organization, cluster organization, and grid organization. Here, I have showed connection of spaces with the help of spatial organizations. This was a case study done on the Cervels Foundation. It is an art foundation whose intention is to raise the general public awareness concerning contemporary art and the environment. It is located in Portugal. It was designed by Alvaro Siza in 1999. The building is erected in longitudinal manner from north to south with a central body divided into two wings, separated by a patio to create a U-shaped structure. An L-shaped construction creates a second patio that connects with the main building. The museum has 14 exhibition galleries distributed over 3 floors. Restaurant, education studio and multi-purpose room are located on upper floor. At entrance floor there is an exhibition galleries and bookshops, and at the lower floor there is a library, auditorium and cafeteria. The structure of building is in concrete and steel with an exterior covering of granite and painted plaster. Inside the building the floor is in oak and marble. Walls and ceilings are constructed of painted and gypsum plaster. These are ground floor plan, first floor plan and second floor plan. This is the site plan. There is one main entry, and towards the left side of an entry there is a four-wheeler parking, and on the right side of a entry there is a two-wheeler parking. There are three entries to the structure. One is from the front side and other two are from the back side, which is through parking and are connected with the cafeteria. The spaces in the structure are: first, audio and visual room; second, administration; third, waiting area; fourth, shops and cafeteria; fifth, permanent exhibition hall; sixth, library; and seventh, heritage archival. This is a ground floor plan. As we enter in the structure, there is a reception. On the right side, there is a waiting area. Reception and waiting area are connected. There is a glass facade in the waiting area so that the natural light to enter in the structure and to get a view of the mountains. Near to admin, there is an audio visual room which has capacity of 40 seats. In front of an audio visual room, there is a courtyard which can be also used for sitting purpose. There is an exhibition connected to the courtyard. There are three entries to the exhibition. First entry is near to admin area, second entry is near to cafeteria, and third entry is near to library. As we enter in the exhibition hall, on the left side there is a glass facade which visually connects with the courtyard and allows natural light to enter in the space. There is a circular ramp which is visually connected to the exhibition space and which leads to the temporary exhibition on the roof. As we exit from the third entry of exhibition, we enter in a lobby where librarian sits. And on the left side of a lobby, there is an heritage archival, and on the right side, there is a library. In library, there is a glass facade near reading space so that we can get natural light and view of mountains. To heritage archival, there is an amphitheater which can be used for performances as well as for relaxing space for visitors. Near to amphitheater, there is a cafeteria with outdoor seating and which is covered with the pergola. There are 5 shops which are near to cafeteria and connected with it. This is first floor plan. There is an extended admin on the first floor which has conference room and office. And there is a temporary exhibition which can be accessed by the circular ramp and the staircase from the cafeteria. There is a space which is connected with the temporary exhibition which can be used for relaxing and which creates a visual connection with the surrounding. These are sections. Here, temporary exhibition is in a semi-open space and exhibition space has 4.5-meter height. Waiting area has 3-meter height. Library, heritage archivals and shops have 4.5-meter height. There is a volumetric variation in spaces according to its function. These are elevations.